Hey, what's up, car enthusiasts? Welcome back to Car Expert, your ultimate source for everything automotive. Today, we're looking at one of the most legendary hypercars in the world, the Bugatti Chiron. Known for its unmatched speed, luxurious design, and engineering marvels, the Bugatti Chiron is a masterpiece of automotive craftsmanship. Let's dive into everything that makes the 2025 Bugatti Chiron a true icon in the world of hypercars. Body. Exterior design. The 2025 Bugatti Chiron combines classic Bugatti styling with aerodynamics engineered for extreme speed. At the front, the signature horseshoe grille and sleek LED headlights give the Chiron its iconic face, while massive air intakes keep the 16-cylinder engine cool. The sculpted body lines flow from the front to the back, channeling air along the car's sides for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. The C-shaped side design, known as the Bugatti line, isn't just beautiful, it also helps direct airflow around the car, contributing to stability at high speeds. At the rear, the full-width LED light bar and massive exhaust outlets add a powerful look, while the active rear spoiler can adjust to enhance downforce or reduce drag based on driving speed. The Chiron's exterior design combines aerodynamics and beauty, showcasing both Bugatti's heritage and its engineering innovation. Driving experience. Driving the 2025 Bugatti Chiron is an experience unlike any other, combining unmatched speed with refined handling. The instant acceleration and responsiveness of the W16 engine deliver a thrill that's hard to match, making every drive feel like a race against physics. The adaptive suspension adjusts automatically to driving conditions, offering both a smooth ride on the highway and a firm, controlled feel at high speeds. The Chiron's all-wheel drive system and active aerodynamics keep it stable and balanced even when pushing it to its limits. The hydraulic steering provides precise feedback, allowing the driver to feel connected to the road, even at extreme speeds. With its dual nature, the Chiron can transition from a comfortable grand tourer to an adrenaline-fueled hypercar, offering a unique driving experience for those fortunate enough to get behind the wheel. With its responsive handling, adaptive performance, and raw speed, the Bugatti Chiron provides an unforgettable driving experience. Outro. So, what do you think of the 2025 Bugatti Chiron? It's a hypercar that combines unmatched performance, legendary design, and luxury, all in one incredible package. Whether you're a Bugatti fan, a speed enthusiast, or someone who just appreciates the best of the best, the Chiron is a true marvel of automotive engineering. Let me know in the comments if the Bugatti Chiron is your dream hypercar. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Car Expert, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.